Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Uncle Matt's Cookery Lessons. I'm going to be making some Japanese souffle pancakes. Beautiful. Hello, in this video I'm going to make the Japanese souffle pancakes. They're all the rage, so let's see how hard or easy they are, shall we? Okay, so the first job is to separate the egg white from the egg yolk. I'm sure you know how to do this, but this is my preferred method. In the shell, from one half of the shell to the other. So into the yolk goes the flour, the milk and the vanilla. The full recipe is on my website, unclematscookerylessons.com. Beat that till it's nice and smooth and homogeneous, like so. Yes, well done. That'll do. Now the egg whites, we're going to beat these a bit, but we're going to add a little bit of lemon juice, a few squeezes, a few drops of lemon juice, maybe a teaspoon. Whisk that to the point where it's nice and foamy. That's foamy. Agreed? Yep, foamy. In with the sugar. And now whisk that until you get a nice stiff peak, as if you were making meringue. Now, obviously, use a machine if you have one, a KitchenAid, but I thought I'd show you. There you go. I achieved that with just the whisk and my tricep muscles. Anyway, 1 spoon of that meringue type mixture into the egg yolks and beat it in. Don't worry about keeping the air at this stage. Beat that in. Now we are going to care very much about the air. The more air we keep in this mixture at this stage is the lighter and the fluffier our pancakes will be. So we are cutting and we are folding. We're cutting and we are folding and we're folding and we're cutting. And you have to choose the point where you stop and you go, that's mixed enough for me. It might not be absolutely perfect, but that's my point. That pan has been on a very, very low, the lowest heat it can be on, a splash of oil, and I just rubbed that with some tissue because I just wanted it greased. And 2 dollops at either side of the pan and then top them up. A tablespoonful of water. Now you haven't used all of your mixture at this stage. You still have a bit left in reserve because that's going on after that. 3 minutes is up. Now lift off the top. Now use up the last of your mixture. Get it all on there, like so. Another tablespoon or so of water, and the lid goes back on. And you're going to give that another couple of minutes. A couple of minutes later, you're now going to turn these things over extremely carefully. You've got to get under there, and you almost want to just sort of persuade it to turn over. Would you mind turning over, please, if that's not too much trouble? Well, thank you so much. And do it the other way. Yeah, would you mind awfully just joining your friend and turning over? Thank you. It's very nice of you. Another splash of water. Pop the lid on there. We just don't want to knock the air out of these things. And 2 more minutes. So, and this is the last part now. So they're cooked now. They're just at their peak, their puffiness. Look at it. It's a souffle. And it's a pancake. It's a souffle pancake. So, a knob of butter on each one. That's nice, isn't it? And a damn load of syrup on there. And I'm going to hand you back over to me for the tasting. Alright. Souffle pancakes. Japanese souffle pancakes. Really, really quite simple. But just, you have to get everything right when you're cooking it. Just having another little taste here. It's a really nice pancake. Is it as good as a classic American pancake or a French crepe? I mean, it's in the ballpark. It's really, really lovely. I highly recommend you have a go. I don't think it's just a food fad. It's, they're very nice. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Catch you next video. Come real soon. Bye. I mean, strawberries, baby.
You know what? Gonna watch that because soon it's pancake day.
It's true.